So we are going to do some layering and some graduation in this haircut. So I'm going to start off by layering the top. So as you can see, I'm taking sections at the top, I'm combing the hair up, and I'm going to establish the layers here on top. I'm also going to do some layering on the sides and the upper half of the back. However, I'm going to do some graduation on the lower half of the back because I want the hairline to kind of sit nice and tight as it comes down towards the neck. So this haircut's going to have a combination of all sorts of techniques. We're also going to slice and texture up the top a little bit so that my model can wear her hair with some texture. She can wear it a little bit messy if she'd like. She can have that versatility to dress and style it the way she wants. All right, so first thing we're doing here, as I mentioned, is going through taking sections. I'm combing from the back to the front, basically creating sections from the crown area to the forehead area, combing straight up and establishing these layers. Now I'm working my way right now from the center top to the right side, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side, and then I will have all of the layers done on the top of the haircut. Alright, so now that the top layers are complete, it is time to start doing the layers on the side. So as you can see, I've got a section right above the ear and I'm combing it straight out, and I am now establishing these layers that are going to work their way around the hair on the sides and upper half of the back. Alright, so now it is time to start doing the layers on the left side of the haircut. As you can see, we completed the layering on the right side, so I'm going to start taking sections here on the left side, combing them straight out, and basically I'm going to work my way from the left side to the center back of the head where I left off on the right side. So now that the layering is complete, it is time to do some graduation. So as you can see, I'm taking diagonal sections, and I'm starting with the very first section that's right behind the ear, and I'm using the layers that I just cut as my guide. So the length of those layers is the longest piece, and then I'm sitting my hands downwards at an angle into the neck area so that the hair gets shorter as we get closer to the neck. And so I'm taking diagonal sections, working my way from behind the ear to the center back, and then I'm using the previous section that I just cut as the guide to take the nape/neck area nice and tight and nice and short. Alright, so now that I've completed the right side, it's now time to do the graduation on the left side. You can see I'm taking my very first section right behind the ear, and as you can see, my fingers start to get closer to the neck as I work lower, so that the hair is getting shorter and shorter as I get lower down towards the neck. Now I'm going to take these diagonal sections and I'm going to work my way to the center back where I left off on the right side, and so the two sections will eventually blend and meet into one. Alright, so now that the graduation is done, I did a quick blow dry to get the hair all nice and dry so that I can go through and texturize throughout the haircut so that we could create that kind of more disheveled, messy look if we wanted to, or we don't have to. We can always wear it more classic, clean. And so this gives my model the versatility that if she wants to put some product into her hair and be able to kind of mess it up if she feels like it, again, that way she can kind of have that versatility from day to day to decide how she wants to dress it, how she wants to style it each and every day. Alright, so here you can see I've just turned my model sideways so I can look through the mirror to kind of check how that texture is coming along. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm going to continue texturizing a little bit more before I wrap up the haircut. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. As you can see, I'm just going through and putting some pomade into the hair. I am sharing with my client how she can kind of wear it with a little bit of texture, kind of a little bit messy, or of course she can definitely wear it clean and classic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. If you have any questions or comments down below about the layering into the graduation, or about layering in general, or about graduation in general, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this haircut, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great content, and I want to thank you guys again so very much for watching.